I've been using Pro Denim for 2 years. Here's my updated review. Okay, so I originally posted a review of Pro Denim almost 2 years ago now after using this product for a few weeks. So if you want to watch that, I will put it up here, and that video talks about more of what Pro Denim actually helped me with, the problems I was having with my oral health, which really were some cavities, but mostly I had some receding gums that my dentist was a little concerned about. So they recommended I get an oral probiotic, which is exactly what Pro Denim is. And I was looking through different oral probiotics and Pro Denim came up. Honestly, the page looks salesy. It looks like it's doing what it's trying to do. So I was like, is this product actually going to work? I was a little weary, we'll just say that. But I decided to give it a try. I went ahead and I got it. I ended up really loving it. And obviously it's been almost 2 years now and I'm still using this product. So it's been working for me. I have not had a cavity since I've been using Pro Denim. I've not changed anything besides adding an oral probiotic to my routine. I've always taken really good care of my teeth. So when my dentist did say she noticed some receding gum lines, I was a little concerned because I'm like, well, what more could I possibly do? Because I take pretty good care of my teeth, but this stuff has really helped. And I wanted to show what this actually looks like. So this is what Pro Denim looks like. It is a chewable tablet. So the way that they recommend taking it is after you brush or after you use brush and then use mouthwash, to take Pro Denim and chew it inside of your mouth and let it dissolve in your mouth after you chew it. They did have a different formula right before I started using it, and they've reformulated to make it even better. And this is what it looks like now. You can take 1 or 2 of these depending on your concerns per day, again, after brushing, and if you use mouthwash after that. So the way that you do it, I just brush my teeth and use my mouthwash, is you just put it in, chew it up, and let it dissolve. And it's a little, I'm not gonna say chalky, it just tastes like, the texture, I guess, is like a chewable anything you would take, like a kid's Tylenol chewable or something like that. A little bit of a minty flavor to it, but it's honestly not too bad. It took a little getting used to, but I've been doing it for so long now, I don't even think twice about it. But I'll just let it dissolve, and then I will take a drink of water after, just to kind of like, if it's on my tongue or something like that, get it into my system. But this stuff has really helped me. My teeth, honestly, are pretty white. I have healthy, happy teeth and gums. Again, I haven't had a cavity in over 2 years now. My gums are healthy. I just went to the dentist about 2 weeks ago now, and she's like, perfect, everything looks great, which is always a relief when you go to the dentist. So dental probiotics, if you haven't added them into your routine yet, are great for oral health. Even these will help with gut health, allergies, keeping your sinuses clear, things like that. There's a lot of different benefits that you can check out on their page. But if you want to try out these from Pro Denim, which I would recommend you do, I have a link below you can save some money from. And there it is, my updated review or update on my use and my experience with Pro Denim. So if you want to, again, check out Pro Denim, you can use my discount link below, and I will see you guys on my channel soon. Take care.